Imagine safe, effective, and high-quality cosmetic products that meet the highest global standards. That's exactly what SURATHIN International aims to deliver. We are the leading OEM manufacturer for a wide variety of cosmetics, baby care, oral care, spa, and hair care products. Founded in 1996 by Mr. Wimon Surathin, a pharmacist with over 60 years of experience in pharmaceutical and cosmetic production for leading international companies in both America and Europe. The strong foundation and forward-looking vision have paved the way for the new generation of management. In 2001, Ms. Nawapan Surathin stepped in to oversee the marketing, customer service, and product research and development departments. SURATHIN International manufactures high-quality products for both domestic and international markets. Our team of skilled professionals is committed to providing comprehensive consultation at every stage, ensuring maximum satisfaction. Our cosmetics research and development team operate with cutting-edge technologies, boasting dedicated chemistry and microbiology labs, enabling us to customize products to precisely meet our customer needs. Our factory ground spans over 4,000 square meters, allowing for efficient space allocation. Equipped with cutting-edge, high-volume mixers, we can produce over 5 tons daily. We also offer filling and repackaging services utilizing modern machinery and adhering to standard-compliant QC practices. Our warehousing space is capable of preserving products' quality until they reach customers' hands. Our commitment is recognized through GMP standard for cosmetics production from the Thai Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, under the Ministry of Public Health, as well as Halal certification from the Central Islamic Committee of Thailand. SURATHIN International takes pride in our commitment to innovation and ongoing personnel development, ensuring the delivery of finest quality and safest products that achieve every customer's need. And our philosophy is giving the best quality and the best service to the principals.